Friends, ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to our brief Bible study today. The question is, what sources of spiritual truth, if any, exist today apart from the written canon of Scripture? The answer? Today there are no other sources of spiritual truth that exist apart from the written canon of Scripture for the following reasons, to wit. The canon of Scripture, we commonly call now as the Bible, covers practically everything that God deems necessary for mankind to know and which could never be known apart from divine assistance and revelation. No man could clearly delineate such invisible things as heaven, hell, eternity, or the soul. Yet all are adequately and accurately described. Another reason why the written canon of Scripture is the only source of truth is the fact that no other book has influenced the course of history as much as the Bible. The Bible is the most widely circulated book in the world and has been translated into nearly 1,000 languages and dialects. There is continuity in connection with the canon of Scripture. By continuity, we mean that over a period of 60 generations, roughly 1,600 years, the Old and the New Testaments were produced and put together. There is no other book that was written over a period of 1,600 years which has ever stood up under the extremes of persecution for several thousand years and survived all attempts to destroy it. We simply cannot ignore that kind of evidence. We must admit that the impact of continuity is tremendous and cannot be denied.